Meaning of foreword.
Forward.
Foreword.
Forward.
Foreword. A foreword is a short introductory piece of writing that appears at the beginning of a book or other written work. Its purpose is to provide the reader with additional context, background information, or a personal perspective on the content of the work. Forewords are typically written by a person other than the author of the work and are usually no more than 1 or 2 pages in length. They can serve as an endorsement, a recommendation, or simply an opening statement to engage and prepare the reader for what is to come.